History of badminton. Badminton was first originated in India, where it was called Pona during the 18th century. It was introduced by the British Army officer as an upper-class amusement in the English play the game of badminton in the hometown of Duke of Beaufort in England. So the name Puna was last played until 1870s, while records describe the game with wooden paddles and shuttlecock being played in ancient China on the royal court of England. In Poland and India later in 18th century and 19th century, a game called battledore and shuttlecock, where it involved hitting a shuttlecock with wooden paddle known as bat or battledore. Before the playing area was like an hourglass, but it was played with this shape until 1901. Then a string was added across the middle of the hole to make a net. On 1887, the original rules for badminton was standardized but later revised on both 1895 and 1905. Up to these days, there are still minor changes happening just like what other sport does. Badminton around the world is governed by Badminton World Federation that was formerly known as the International Badminton Federation and was established in 1934 with 120 national organizations. The nature of the game. Badminton is a racket sport play using racket to hit a shuttlecock across a net. It is played by either two opposing players and two opposing pair. The objective of the game is to serve or hit the bird across the net within enough skills accuracy so that the opponent would have a hard time returning. If the birdie falls into your court, you lose the point. Either be fast or slow, pace depending on the skill level of the players. Four basic skills in badminton. Grip or hand grip. The right way of holding the racket. There are two types of grips. It is the forehand and backhand. Here are the right way of performing it. Next is stance. This skill will help you have proper posture to receive and attack the shuttlecock. There are what we call defensive stance. It starts with slightly bent knee. For defensive in double, you may use this. And for singles, you may use this for offensive stance. It's like and you are getting force from your back to give the strongest stroke as you can. Next is footwork. These skills will help you adjust in accordance with the speed of shuttle and it returning to you. Here are the types of footwork and its execution. Forward, forehand, forward, backhand, forehand side, backhand side, forehand and backhand backcourt, Next is serve. This is the skill where the rally for a point start. It is the first with delivering the bird on the other side of the court. Here are the ways of serving the ball and its proper execution. Backhand short serve. Backhand long serve. Thank you for watching.